Well, the rain let up a little bit today, so I wanted to talk to you about my greenhouses with the plants in them and my garden a little bit and gardening. So I wasn't always a gardener, and I'm no way a master gardener, but a few years ago when I retired from the service, one of my buddies got me into it, and it just sort of got addicted to it. Well, after I started growing under a grow light, I realized that I had way too many plants, and I had to just be giving them away. I had so many. Well, so I thought, why not sell them at the farmer's market? Now, gardening's fun, and you might want to get into it, but you don't have the setup for it. So you can buy your plants at the farmer's market. We got a lot of seedlings and starts. Right now it's on the list of places that are essential. I have a nursery license, so I'm able to sell them at the farmer's market, grow them in the greenhouse. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of tomato starts. The corn, those are going to be for me. Walking over to the cheap greenhouse, say hello to all the chickens. So, got my sunflowers that are doing pretty good. There's my single seed challenge sunflower. Got the tomatoes that I up potted. Some more of the corn. More tomatoes. Down here we got some zucchini, some more sunflowers, and some yellow squash, yellow crookneck squash. They're just checking us out, saying, "Where's the food?" Got a bird net up. Keep the eagles out. And I mostly have peppers in my greenhouse garden shed. Whole bunch of long cayenne peppers. Jalapenos. Can't forget the chives. Put them on some potatoes. More jalapenos. I have a few of my starts that I don't remember what type they are. I know they're tomatoes, but they could be yellow, they could be cherry tomatoes, they could be beefsteak. Don't know. My habaneros. Habaneros are taking a little while to grow up and be happy. A few of the watermelon back there, some grand bells. If you like cats, we got some catnip here. I have to do these inside the greenhouse. I cannot even start these inside because the catnip, if you have cats and you're growing catnip, you better put a cage over it. Got some cucumber starts in here. A couple more watermelon. Do have a few flowers. Have to make the wife happy. Those are some of my golden yellow tomatoes. I keep some herbs in here. I've got some herbs going. So those are cilantro. This stack is the ones that weren't doing too good at the start. Got some dill right here. And lots of basil. Here's some more habanero peppers. On the top shelf, some more habaneros. Got some long cayennes. Lots and lots of long cayenne peppers. Here's some California Wonders. And we go into the jalapenos. A lot of people like jalapeno poppers. Those jalapenos are about ready to be put into some 6-inch pots. They're getting too big. Inside the house, I have some of my little seedlings. I had to turn off the grow lights because they put a really weird color on the video. Got a few eggplants coming up there. A couple sage. Oregano. Bunch of thyme. I'm going to have to up pot these here in a day or two. Right there, I got some romaine that just started popping up. A little bit better shot of the romaine. So, if you can see from the picture I'm going to put up, my garden certainly has changed in the past few years. A lot of it for me is just trial and error, getting it going, having a love of it, liking to go outside and get fresh air, growing my own crops. It's a great hobby. If you're stuck at home during this coronavirus thing, something fun to do. So, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. You have yourself a safe, healthy day.